So, damn, they think of cornflakes. So this is St. Lucia, busy as hell, busy as ever. I need some change though before I can buy anything. Let me get this together, sorry. There's all these beautiful women out here though. See people out here selling stuff. You know what I'm saying? They used to it though. Hey, y'all selling no waters? No bottled water? No water? Water? I'm trying to get some water. That's all I want, some water. Yeah, straight local style. Let me see if they got some water. See, the struggle is real. I'm trying to get some change right now. I'm thirsty, been out here shooting all these days. No change. See, no change, but it's all good. All right, thank you though. All right, no change once again. I'm on a water journey right now. Yeah, man. I'm trying to get water. Nah, man. If you want some shoes, get you some shoes. Jordans, fake as heck. Oh, there they go. That's where the water is. That's where the water is. Actually, let me turn around this way. So we get through here. Just hook me up with the water for free. Good looking out, man. Appreciate it. Word, word. You see that right there? He just hooked me up with the water for free because they ain't had no change. So he hooked me up right there. That was love right there, yeah. Still ain't got no change though, which is what I need. Yeah.